It's the simple things in life that bring pleasure. Hearing the birds sing, feeling the raindrops. Like today, the rain is falling. I can't get it to see. There you go. I think you can see a little. But do you know there are people that lay in a bed, in a facility, or even at home, and they don't feel that life. They can't feel the warmth of the sun, the breeze that blows on a hot summer day that cools you. Feel the raindrops falling. They forget what that feels like. They've told me that because it's been so long, they forgot.